Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab E10 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with entering the settings, and a quick disclaimer, this way will work if you've got your Google account currently applied and saved in the device. If not, I highly recommend to check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this Lenovo device. So if you've got the account, let's simply scroll down to the very bottom and then tap on System. Right here we've got the backup option, so let's tap on it. And of course, if you want to, you can add the Google account right now, because your device will ask you about it. So you can do it right now. If you've got the account added, you will be transferred to this backup section. You can check how much space you've got left on your Google account. You can manage the storage here. Here I've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now. Okay, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data, so you have to simply wait. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.